Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Progressions part 6. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 5. In this video, we are going to learn about nth term of a geometric progression. We have learned that if A is the first term and R is the common ratio, then the GP is A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. In this A is the first term, A1 is A, and the second term is A2 is AR, and the third term is A3 is equal to AR square, and A4 is equal to AR cube. Now here AR can be written as A into R power 1, that is equal to A into R power 2 minus 1. And this R power 2 can be written as R power 3 minus 1. And R cube can be written as, this one can be written as A into R power 4 minus 1. Here, can I write this A as A into 1? And this 1 can be written as A into R power 0. And that R power 0 can be written as R power 1 minus 1. Now here when it is A1, it is A into R power 1 minus 1. It is A2, A into R power 2 minus 1. A3, A into R power 3 minus 1. A4, A into R power 4 minus 1. So when it is 4 here, 4 minus 1. When it is 3, it is 3 minus 1. Suppose if you have some A10, then you can write it as A into R power, yes, 10 minus 1. Suppose you have A 37, you can write it as A into R power 37 minus 1, that is A into R power 36. Therefore, in general, if it is nth term, AN can be written as A into R power n minus 1. This is called the nth term or the general term of the GP. Nth term or the general term of the GP. When you know the first term and the common ratio, you can find any term in the given GP. Here n is the number of term, R is the common ratio and A is the first term. So when you know any one of these things, you can find the missing term. So this is first term here. Okay, so we will do some problems on this. Find the sixth term of the GP 1 by 2, 1, 2 and so on. Here A1, that is the first term, that is equal to A is equal to 1 by 2. And A2 is equal to 1 and A3 is equal to 2. So first of all we have to find the sixth term. Sixth term. So what is the formula we have to use here? An is equal to A into R power n minus 1. We have to find the sixth term, that is A6, means n is equal to 6. And what else we need here? A into R power 6 minus 1. We need A value and R value. A we know, A is equal to 1 by 2. How we will find R value? R is the common ratio, that is A2 by A1. That is 1 by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2. R, you can also find R by using A3 by A2 also. This will be easy to find out, 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Substitute A value and R values in this. A is 1 by 2 into R. R is 2 here. 2 power 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 2 power 5 by 2, which is equal to 2 power 4, that is 16. The sixth term is 16. Okay, next problem. Find the 20th and the nth term of the GP. 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. So here we have to find the nth term and also the 20th term. So first of all, what is the formula to find nth term? An is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So to find the nth term, we need to know A and the common ratio, the first term and the common ratio. So what is the given here? 5 by 2, comma 5 by 4, comma 5 by 8 and so on. So here the first term a1 is equal to a is equal to 5 by 2 and the second term a2 is equal to 5 by 4. Now r is equal to a2 by a1 common ratio, that is 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. This can be written as 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to 1 by 2. R is equal to 1 by 2. Let us substitute A values and A and R values in the given formula. So AN is equal to A is 5 by 2. Here we have A value 5 by 2 and R is equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Or you can also simplify like this, 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1, that is 5 into 1 by 2. Here the power of 1 by 2 is 1, here it is n minus 1. The bases are equal, you can add the powers, 1 plus n minus 1. This will be 5 into 1 by 2 whole power n. And we also have to find the 20th term. So A20, if you put n is equal to 20 in this, you will get 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 20. This is the 20th term and this is the nth term of the GP. Next problem. Which term of the GP 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on is 128? In this given problem, 128 is which term? We have to find which term it is. So what is the given GP 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on. Here let 128 is nth term. We don't know which term it is. We have to find which term it is. Therefore I am assuming that this 128 is the nth term. That is an is equal to 128. What is the formula for an? A into r power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Here our task is to find out the value of n. So if you know a and r, if you substitute in this, you will get n value. So let us find out what is a and r values. Here the first term is a1 is equal to a is equal to 2 and second term is a2 is 2 root 2 and r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 2 root 2 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 gets cancelled. So r is equal to root 2 and here a is equal to 2. Let us substitute in this. A is equal to 2 into r is equal to root 2 power n minus 1, which is equal to 128. Now 2 power 1 and this root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Let us send this 2 to the other side. It will become 2 power 1 by 2 into n minus 1. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 128 by 2, which is equal to 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 64. And 64 can be written as the in powers of 2. How can you write 64? That is 2 power 6. Here 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 6. So the bases are equal. So we can equate the powers. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. That implies n minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 13. Therefore 128 is the 13th term. In a GP, the third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. Here they have given third term and sixth term. We need to find the 10th term. So let us write what is given first. Third term, that is A3 is equal to 24 and the sixth term A6 is equal to 192. A3 means it is A into r power 3 minus 1, that is 24, and that is AR square is equal to 24. Consider this as equation 1. And A6 means A into R power 6 minus 1 is equal to 192. A into R power 5 is equal to 192. Consider this as equation 2. Now, to get rid of this A, let us divide equation 2 by equation 1. What you will get? A into R power 5 by A into R square is equal to 192 by 24. A R power 5 is the LHS of this equation. A R square is the LHS of this equation. So this by this gives you 192 by 24. Okay, so A gets cancelled. Now R power 5 by R square is R cube. So here 24 ones are 24 eights are 192. So R cube is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. R cube is equal to 2 cube. That implies R is equal to 2. Now let us substitute R is equal to 2 in any of the equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So I am substituting in equation 1. So from equation 1, what we have? AR square is equal to 24. What is R value here? A into R square is 2 square is equal to 24. That is A into 2 square is 4 is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 by 4, that is equal to 6. A value is equal to 6. Now we know A is equal to 6 and R is equal to 2. What we need to find here? We have to find out the 10th term. That is A10, which is nothing but A R power 9. That is A into R power 10 minus 1. A R power 9 means what is A here? 6 into R, 2 power 9. So you can leave it here, or if you want to simplify, you can simplify. 2 power 9 is 512. So 6 into 512 is 3072. That is the 10th term of the given geometric progression. Thank you for watching.